guys, so we just actually arrived at this park and we're pretty excited because we're going to be having a family picnic today. So yeah, and Don is parking. We're just going to get everything together and then I'll come right back. We're having a picnic. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to show you guys. So this is actually in our neighborhood and we do have a lake. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at that lake. Isn't it beautiful? That's our lake. Oh my goodness. Anna and I is actually relaxing here. The children is over there. They're playing volleyball. And we have Alexandra. Hi baby. Look at her. Oh, let me give you a little bit. It's her first time outside. Yeah, it's actually Alexandra's first time outside. Yeah, you're excited? She's wondering what is going on. We don't really carry her out, so yeah, it's actually her first time really out unless she's going to her doctor visit or something like that. Hi baby. Hi. And we're just going to chit chat with you guys a bit. I'm going to be turning this channel into a family channel, so you're going to see our family more, and it's going to be super good. We have so much content coming out very soon, and we're kind of thinking what we should call our channel. Something more family oriented. So what do you guys think?
We would appreciate you know, some ideas, some suggestions about what we could name it that would, you know, be an all-inclusive type thing as far as family is concerned.
Yeah.
I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking videos. Start a separate channel also for all my cooking stuff.
I think you actually have one. Dan had one that you started.
Yeah, I did. But
we're gonna revamp it up a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna revamp it. Probably name it Chef Don or something like that.
Yeah, we're going to see what name. Oh my goodness, what is that?
Yeah, well, you're outside. You're gonna be dealing with insects.
Yeah, so I think you do have a channel already. It's just that we're going to strip it down and revamp it.
Yeah.
So it's going to be good.
And so besides this showing you guys recipes, I'm going to be going through some basic stuffs like sauces, how to make sauces, and you know, stocks, different stuff like that. Real easy stuff. And how you turn you start from a stock that turns to a sauce that you put on the completed meal that you're preparing. So it should be exciting. You know, it won't be long, drawn out stuff. I'll cut some corners when I can. Otherwise, it have to be when I'm not cutting corners, it'll be strictly culinary. But I try to keep it not boring. As an international chef, I'm going to be showing you guys everything from comfort food to fine dining, and also regional cooking, and also international cooking. So I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to get started. So just look out for it.
Yeah, I'm going to leave that channel in the description box down below. Yeah, a link to that channel, and you guys can go ahead and subscribe. The thing is, we're not going to start posts on that channel until like we're about 1,000 subscribers. To check it out, please go ahead and do so, and do subscribe to that channel, because once we reach like 1,000 subscribers, then we'll start posting videos on it. Yeah. And it's going to be like about 4 days a week. Yeah, about 4 days. Yeah, some days it might be 5, you know. And I'm telling you, it's going to be very interesting. It's not going to just be your average cooking channel. So we have a little bit of this and a little bit of that. It's going to be very good. Yeah, and I also you guys could write me about things you want to see me do. Yeah. Like I remember one subscriber wanted me to make sushi. Mostly family team, and it's going to always include God in everything we do on this channel. Yeah. So it's in our morning routine, in our regular everyday life, it's going to be God included, because that's what we live our life on, the principle of God, and it's going to be very interesting.
Yeah.
So I'm going to change the family name. I'm
The
going to
channel
be
name.
changing the channel name.
What, you're changing my name?
If you guys have any ideas on what we should call our channel, then you may go ahead and comment down below. Sandra is actually sleeping. She wants to sleep.
Yeah. I would sleep too if I was allowed to.
Oh my goodness, Don, we just gotten here.
Yeah, but
you don't need to be sleeping.
It's nothing like sleeping in the park.
Ooh. What's wrong with you?
I'm saying it. See how clear it is? There's some folks over there.
Yeah.
But not as many, so I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's their backyard actually, but there's a fence.
You know, it's so peaceful out here. The ducks are mingling with the geese.
Yeah. I'm going to show you guys the lake. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Let me show them. Set up to eat because I'm hungry. And I'll catch you guys in a bit. Dan is going to set up so we can have lunch. And yeah, we're actually eating. Actually me, Dan is finished. You know, I always be the last one to finish eating.
That's true. It takes like 3 hours to eat one.
No, it's not that long. Children took a little walk along the lake. I'm watching them. And they do have their big brother with them, so they're actually fine.
Yeah.
But they're taking a little walk along the lake. And we're just getting a bit of time by ourselves. Mm-hmm. And Alexandra is down here. She's laughing her way.
Yeah, she just woke up. It was the bugs that were biting occasionally. Now, it's the sun that's biting my leg.
Yeah, it's getting quite sunny. It's not that bad. I think it's toned down a bit, the sun. So
yeah.
It's not that bad. I want to play some volleyball with Danielle soon. Actually we're having like cheese and crackers tray. Don made a cheese and crackers tray. We're having some fruits.
Yeah, I had mostly fruit.
Yeah, mostly fruit, yeah. So, that's it. Don't really choke with my food.
People are just, you know, families doing the social distance thing. But it's still enough room for everybody, it seems. I see some people have those little small tents, which is cool. I'm going to have to get me one of those.
Actually, having fireworks somewhere because I keep hearing it.
I think that's from the neighborhood, though.
Yeah.
Personal stuff, that's what I meant. There's actually folks out on the lake, too, in their little...
yeah, in their boats.
Renter boats.
Oh, these are so beautiful. Lockdown, even though things have been lifted in Illinois, we're still, you know, practicing social distancing. We're still using wisdom, and wearing our masks. It's just that we're quite a distance. As you can see in the background, there's some people, but they're actually further from us. They're not close to us, and so we're still practicing social distancing. And it's actually in our neighborhood. We're not that far. We live over there.
Right. They're about 60 feet from us.
Yeah, they're pretty much distant. People on their boat, there are people fishing in the lake, but I don't want to go down that way. No. Anyway, we love you guys so much, and we just wanted to film a bit, our little picnic, and you guys get to hang out with us. We'll go back home because on Friday we normally have movie night, family movie night.
Yeah, junk food night too.
Yeah, we do fast food. This is our day, fast food, no cooking, nothing like that. We get to eat what's fast and quick. Don't forget to comment down below on what you think we should call our channel. Going to go say hi.